Hello mga kababayan sa Dubai, UAE. This is Neil Murillo, former member of Boyband PH, and I'm inviting everyone to join us at the Kalayaan Sport Fest 2026 by Fame Success Stories. This coming June 7 na po from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. at Al Nazir Stadium, Old Meta, Dubai, UAE. See you there.